I'm Professor Leah Marangu, the Vice Chancellor of Africa Nazarene University in Nairobi, Kenya, and also I am the Chair of the Character and Creativity Initiative. I have been very much involved in the peace movement in Kenya, trying to help Global Peace Foundation to establish the roots there in Kenya with the Ministry of Education, with the teachers there, and also involving my students from university to mentor others. To me, CCI means strengthening families through teaching people to live creative way to solve their problem amicably, not only in the society, but also with the families. And also to really develop strong characters. Character of people who can say no when they need to say no, and say yes for the right things.